everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having an awesome day. I'm having a good day. I have my Threads monthly for you, but I'm a little concerned. It's a new month and my Threads monthly came in this little tiny bag. Last month I got it in a box. So I don't know what's going on, but it says Threads monthly right there. I haven't opened it. I got it like, I don't know, 6 hours ago, and I wanted to wait for you guys so I could open it. So I hope it doesn't disappoint all of us. But I'm gonna open it, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna like it. And you know, if I don't like it, I'm gonna tell you. Let's tear into this. I'm gonna be really, really upset if it's not like it was last month and the month before. I love this box. I love it, but something's not right here. Something's not right. And this is what's on the inside. There's nothing else in just this little flat thing. It feels like just a shirt. And I'm just gonna keep on rolling. That's it. And this little flat package, I don't know what is going on, but we shall open this shirt and find out. Okay, I don't know. That's the shirt. And it does have holes in it, like distressing, I'm assuming. And then it has this beautiful, what do they call that? Applique that is just gorgeous. But look at that. That's gonna come off in like 2.5 seconds when I wash it. It looks like it is stitched. It did get stitched, but they missed that part. So this is coming up already. I'm a little concerned about that, but I will try this shirt on. Oh Lord, I thought it was ripped. It is ripped intentionally. I do think that that is super cute, and I will try this on. I do like the arms, and it's just a t-shirt. So we'll try that on. Let's see what else we have going on here, because this little thingamajiggy came with it. So we're going to unroll it. Maybe they're sending them in bags now instead of boxes. I don't know. But this is what, come on now. My ring is falling off and everything. This is what's inside. And there's the card that you normally get with your Threads monthly, and that is it. Okay. I have no card to tell me what this is, where it came from, who made it, how it got here, none of that. And you know me, I like to know, I'd like to know stuff. So that's strike two. I'm getting a little more upset now because I love this box. But anyway, this is a DIY sequin elbow patch for sweaters. And it tells you how to make a sequin patch for sweater, elbow patch. And then we have 3 pieces of some kind of, I'm assuming, jewelry. So, and this was open. Anyway, let's just get into here and see what the heck is going on with this. Okay. All right. I'm not too awful much into these. Well, that's promising. Made in China. Okay. So this is a bracelet. And it kind of reminds me of, like, I don't know, grapes or something. Well, I can't put it on that hand because my Fitbit's on that hand. Let's see if I can get it on this hand over here. Well, I should have took the Made in China tag off, but there is the bracelet that is not trying to work for me. I can never get these things. There we go. Okay, got it. But there's the bracelet, little fancy schmancy bracelet. I'm assuming that they are pearls, given the fact that I don't have a card for this box or bag. Now it's a bag. You can tell I'm frustrated because I start to stumble over my words when I get frustrated. This frustrates me because I love Threads Monthly. I do. And I'm thinking, okay, they did email me and they said, your box is going to be late. Okay, thank you for emailing me. I appreciate the email. I'm glad that they emailed me because had I got it late and with no email, I think I would have been a little more upset. But, you know, sometimes shit happens and things come late in the mail. The thing that concerns me is that the first box was amazing. And this is a box that I pay for. They had little tiny cards in this cute little box, and it was so cute and so put together, and the presentation was amazing. And for the first 2 months, because this is only my 3rd month getting this box, for the first 2 months it was amazing. It was absolutely amazing. And now this. So I'm wondering if the reason why it was late is because it is in this bag. So I will get it for 1 more month just to be safe and see what happens. So let's finish up with the rest of this. And then we have, it looks like some sort of choker or headband. I'm thinking it's a headband. Let's see. Yeah, again, made in China, but it doesn't, it just says that. So I am going to assume, and I know I get in a lot of trouble for assuming, but I'm going to assume that it goes on like that. There, isn't that perfect? There we go, headband. No, I'm kidding. I'm assuming that it goes just like that, which I don't mind. It is too big to put on as a choker, although my hair is so stinking heavy and so thick that it pushes the headband totally forward. So there's the headband anyway, and then we have this little tube. I have no idea. So we're gonna open it up and find out what the heck's going on in this little tube. Okay, so that is very strange. All right, and it is a necklace with a starfish. Okay, I don't get it. Now I'm truthfully confused. But there is the necklace. And it looks like a starfish on there. So this will probably go in a giveaway because I won't wear it anyway. I have a few staple pieces and I kind of stick to them, but there is that. Maybe you can see it better this way. There is that necklace. So, my thoughts, okay. I'm a little upset with this box. I don't hate it. I'm not hating. I kind of like this headband. I don't mind the headband. I kind of like this shirt. I don't know. I will try this on for you. At the end, I will put a picture so you can see the picture of me with that on. I think I'm gonna give it another try. I am going to email the curator of this box bag, I don't know, and I'm gonna find out what exactly happened, because now, like I said, I don't hate it. I really don't. I quite like this shirt. I quite like this shirt. I don't think my husband's gonna like it, but I quite like this. I do think that a little more care should have been taken with the fact that that did not get tacked down, but I could fix that, you know. I could fix that. I am a little concerned because it is coming up everywhere. Like, it is right there. Like, I can put my finger right through it. So that does concern me, that it's going to come right off in the wash, and that saddens me a little. Well, a lot, because I do like this shirt. I think it is super cute. I love the color. It's a peach. I love the color. I love the applique on it. Very fall-ish, beautiful flower, fall. I love it. I like this box, but I feel like I need some answers. Why? I want to know what's going on. I know that the email said that it was going to be late and it was because of one of the suppliers or something like that, but okay, that's fine. All right. I like it. I'll still keep it. And I suggest you guys try it too. Maybe this was just one of those months that, you know, everybody has a bad day. And I think every subscription box may have a bad month. Should we excuse them once in a while? Yes, I think so. They work really hard putting these together for us. And to be so critical all the time, I don't feel is fair. So I'm going to take a day off from being critical. I do like this box, and I will be getting it again next month. And I hope that you guys will give it a try too. So if you liked what you saw, my bracelet and my headband and the necklace, which I don't care for the necklace. It's very childlike to me, so I won't wear it, but I will give it to maybe a grandchild. But there is the bracelet, the headband, the necklace, and this beautiful shirt. I like it. It's okay. It's okay. We all have a bad day. Like I said, they must have just had a bad month, and it's okay with me. All right, guys, that's it. I'm going to stop rambling because I know I'm holding you up, and you probably got, like, I don't know, dinner to eat or dogs to walk or dishes or something, which I have all of the above to do. So I am going to get off of here and stop rambling. I will see you guys in another video real soon, because the video after this one is, let's see, short story book club. Can't wait, another book box. I am currently reading 3 books at once right now. My dog knocked, yeah. Well, you know what it is. But yes, as I was saying, I am currently reading 3 books right now, and it is just, it's crazy that I can keep all 3 separate. But anyway, the book that I was reading, oh wait, before I go, I want to welcome Jennifer Landells. She is a new subscriber, so if you see her in the comments, give her a big hello. And the book that I'm reading on my Kindle right now is the Marry to Me book, Underland. You guys, that book is addicting. You need to get that book. If you have not checked out that video, I will put it in the iCards up there so that you can click on it and go watch that video. You guys have got to order that box. It is amazing. The book is fantastic. I get so engrossed in that book. I forget what time it is, but before I know it, it's like 3:30 in the morning. I know, but it's such a great book. Anyway, okay, all right, I'm done rambling. I gotta go eat dinner and then do the dishes and walk the dog and do all that stuff that, you know, you have to do once in a while. So, okay, guys, that's it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button over there. And don't forget to hit the thumbs up. And do not forget, please share this video, because I don't mind. All right, guys, I will see you in another video. Bye now. Okay, guys, here's the shirt. There's the... Not bad.